summer is over and fall is here, so I'm excited to show you the new comforter I got to go ahead and replace this one. It comes with a comforter and then 2 pillowcases. You'll need a fitted sheet for your bed already because that does not come with this. I really like this because it has the quilted pattern on it. It made me think of like farmhouse, rustic, and those things really make me think of fall. I like how it's like a serene and clean type of look. It does come with a set of instructions that lets you know this will need to expand because it does arrive vacuum sealed, so over time the comforter will get fluffier. However, my dog decided that she already loves this comforter and is trying to make it hers. Okay, I have it all set up and I love how it turned out. It really goes with like the peaceful vibes of fall. I got the color wheat, which is like a great neutral, but there are other colors as well. So I definitely love how it turned out. It's super comfortable and my dog fell asleep in like 5 seconds because it's so comfortable.